This is Standard 6 Science video number 3. In this video, we are going to read about the seed and their structure. Okay, first, what is seed? Seed is a reproductive unit, okay, which grows into a new plant in a suitable condition. Okay, a seed contains embryo and cotyledon having stored food for its development. Okay, in a normal way, if we say that a seed is a small, round, or oval object produced by a plant, and from which, when it is put into the soil, after getting a suitable condition, new plants can grow. That is seed. Now come to the structure of seed. Okay, we know that flowers develop into fruits and fruits contains seed. Okay, this is the structure of seed. Okay, this is the structure of seed. Now see very carefully that a seed has a baby plant inside, okay, enclosed safely within. Here it is a baby plant, it has, okay, safe closely inside. Okay, the outermost part of a seed is called the seed coat or testa. This is the outermost part of a seed is called seed testa. What is the function of seed testa? Okay, that it protects the seed from being damaged. Okay, and seed of flowering plants has one or two seed leaves, that is cotyledons. Okay, now come to the hilum. What is hilum? Here in the seed you can see in the middle portion, any seed you will see there is a hilum. What is hilum? There is a small pore called hilum present on the seed coat that helps the seed to absorb water. Okay, the outermost covering testa, this is plumule, this is radicle, and these two are the cotyledons. Okay, now here you can see the cotyledons. What these cotyledons do? These cotyledons store food for the baby plant. Okay, the food stored is used by baby plant till it grows the first green leaves. Now cotyledon just now you have seen here. Okay, inside the seed coat is present the seed leaves or cotyledon. What this cotyledon do? They store food which is supplied to a baby plant or embryo. Okay, now we will read about the radicles and plumule. That is very important. Okay, what is radicle or plumule? Okay, the part of embryo of a seed bearing plant that develops into the main root. Here you can see the seed when get a proper condition. First of all, the radicals grow inside, downside. Okay, downside it grows. Okay, and this radical develops into the embryonic root. Okay, developed into the root. Now after that, from the seed the plumules grow. Okay, thus one part grows upside and one part grows downside. Downside which grows is called radical. Okay, and radical develops into root system, and plumule grows upside. Okay, against the gravity, that plumules develop into the shoot system. Okay, give rise to shoot. Okay, so here I have also shown this this is cotyledon, this is plumule, and downside it is radical. Okay, now we are going to discuss about the two main types of seed. Okay, some seeds of some plants like gram, beans, Okay, maize, okay, have two seed leaves. Okay, that is we will discuss about in the dicot. Okay, we will discuss about the dicot. Now first we will see about the monocot. Okay, let's see about the monocot. What is monocot? Monocot have one seed leaf inside is called inside the seed coat is called monocots. What are the examples? That it example is maize, wheat, rice, and it when you will see inside the seed you will see one seed leaf. Okay, that is called monocotyledon seed. Okay, now second one is dicot. The dicot. What is dicot? Some of the seeds like pea, beans, grams. Okay, these seeds have the two seed leaves. Okay, dicotyledon seed is classification of flowering plant with the seed possess two embryonic leaves or cotyledons. Okay, here you can see this is the one cotyledon, this is the another cotyledon. It means dicotyledons, two cotyledons, and it is found in the pea plant, pea seed, beans, and grams. Okay, now here you can see some of the differences there in the monocot and dicot. Okay, in case of monocot you can see one cotyledon is there. Okay, in case of dicot two cotyledon is there. In the monocot the roots are fibrous, in the dicot the roots are tap root. Okay, and in the monocot vasculars are in the arranged way. Here also you can see in the leaf are the in the parallel veins. Okay, in dicot leaves are in the dicot you can see net like veins are there, that is reticulate. Okay, in the monocot the flowers are okay in the multiple of 3. Okay, here you can see, and here the flowers are in the multiple of 4 or 5. Okay, this is the basic difference between the monocot and dicot. Here I have given the concept map for the revision for the this chapter, that is getting to know the plants. You can read this, and from the short time you can take advantage of too much things here. You can take a knowledge of from the deep from this concept map. Thank you.